Hi, I am Miss Wilson, your new teacher. I am so happy for you to be a part of our class, and I cannot wait to introduce you to the rest of the family. I know you might be a little nervous, but don't worry, we were all nervous on our first day, and there is a whole classroom waiting for you, and they cannot wait to get to know you. I will actually assign you a first week buddy, so if you have any questions about the procedures or requirements in the class, they'll be your go-to, and they will just help you get used to everything in the classroom. For now, I want you to know a little bit about me. I graduated from Florida State University here in Tallahassee, which is a huge school down in the center of the city. Maybe you'll choose to go there one day. I also come from a very large family, so large that I can't even count them on my fingers. The main people that I would like to point out are my brother Jordan and my sister Sarah. They are awesome, and you actually might be able to see them one day because they like to come into the classroom and help out a little bit. I also have a cat named Vernon. We have had her for many years, and even though she can be a little bit lazy, she is still fun to be around, and I absolutely love her. Some of my hobbies include reading and watching movies. The book that I am currently reading is this. It is actually a Harry Potter cookbook. So it has a bunch of food in it, which I love to try and make, as food has a big place in my heart. Speaking of food, some of my favorites include French fries and anything potato, as well as Pringles, strawberries, and bananas. In my class, we often have a show and tell day where I ask the students to bring in an item that is personal to them that they would like to share with the class. Some of my favorites include this little penguin. I absolutely love penguins. They are my favorite animal. And I also like to bring in Fox the Phoenix. He is actually going to be made out of Legos. He is adorable. I absolutely love Legos, and I often use them for activities in my classroom, so be prepared for that if you like Legos as well. And student work is something that you will also always find in our classroom, whether it be builds that students make out of Legos or drawings that they would like to put up in the classroom. So if you're comfortable enough, maybe you can add something of yours too. And that is actually going to be pretty much it for now. That might not be a whole bunch about me, but we will also get to know each other as the year goes on, and I will answer any questions that you might have along the way. I cannot wait to get to know you more, and neither can your classmates. See you in class.